How do I activate my Lloyds Contactless Card?
Hello there. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your Lloyds Contactless Card. Activating your card is a crucial step to start making contactless payments securely and conveniently. Let's dive right in.
What do you need to activate your card?
To activate your Lloyds Contactless Card, you will need your new Lloyds Contactless Card, access to Lloyds Internet Banking. If you haven't registered yet, make sure to do that first.
How to activate your card online?
Step 1. Log in to your Lloyds Internet Banking account. You'll need your user ID, password, and memorable information. Step 2. On the account overview page, click on the More Actions button next to the account linked to your new card. Step 3. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Activate a new debit or credit card. Step 4. You'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your new card. Make sure you input this information correctly. Step 5. Click on Activate and follow any additional prompts. Your card should now be active and ready to use.
What if I can't activate my card online?
If you can't activate your card online, don't worry. You can still activate it by making a chip and PIN transaction at any ATM. Simply use your new card and the PIN you received to withdraw cash or check your balance. This will also activate your contactless feature. And that's it. You've now learned how to activate your Lloyds Contactless Card. This process is quick, easy, and helps ensure that you can make secure payments in no time. Always remember to keep your card and banking details safe. Happy banking!